The National Association of Counties.
NACo.
The National Association of Counties.
For the National Association of Counties.
National Association of Counties, or NACo.
Today, NACo enters a new phase of promise. Building on the strength of our momentum, NACo is poised to reach new heights on behalf of the nation's 3,069 counties, parishes, and boroughs, with the simple message that counties matter.
America's counties, parishes, and boroughs unite through NACo, building healthy, vibrant, and safe communities. And this year, our collective voice has never been stronger. Through bipartisan outreach, county leaders, top administration officials, and members of Congress continue to address many issues important to counties.
She said, "You really like them?" And I said, "Yep, when I work with NACo, I feel like I'm running with the right crowd."
We worked closely with our federal partners to strengthen the relationship between levels of government, preserve local decision-making, and safeguard counties' seat at the table when important decisions are made in Washington.
As we face new pressing public policy challenges and opportunities, our nation will need the collective efforts of our federal, state, local, and tribal governments all working together.
Consistent and meaningful engagement with intergovernmental partners is vital in the development and implementation of effective energy and environmental policies, programs, and regulations.
Working with our county members, NACo accomplished several key policy achievements. We successfully secured full funding for the Payments in Lieu of Taxes program and a 2-year reauthorization for secure rural schools, as we work toward long-term sustainability for both these programs.
Counties are depending on Congress to meet this federal obligation to our communities by supporting vital funding for emergency personnel, infrastructure, school teachers, and other public services. We ask you to act to protect and improve these essential programs in fiscal year 2020, the appropriations package, and in the long term.
We made sure county priorities were included in initial infrastructure proposals on Capitol Hill. After nearly a decade-long effort, we successfully repealed the tax of employer-sponsored health benefits, as well as House passage of legislation to temporarily repeal the limits of the state and local tax deduction.
Counties play a major role in financing, administering, and coordinating federal workforce and economic development programs. This includes EDA, a key pillar of the federal, state, and local partnership.
And we secured increased federal funding and assistance ahead of the 2020 elections and census. NACo spearheaded successful efforts to stave off unfunded mandates, including the repeal and replacement of the 2015 Waters of the U.S. rule, FEMA's risk rating policies for flood mapping, which would have drastically increased residents' costs, and updates to the implementation of the Endangered Species Act that improved the designation of critical habitat and streamlined the consultation process. We successfully obtained multiple short-term extensions for the National Flood Insurance Program. NACo continues to work with the FCC and Congress to preserve local decision-making on 5G deployment, cable franchising fees, and accurate broadband maps. Our joint task force with the National Sheriff's Association is examining the impacts of federal policies on recidivism and health outcomes, and several bills have been introduced to strengthen counties' ability to address healthcare in jails.
All of us know that counties matter. We know our communities, we know our residents, we know our challenges and our opportunities. We are where the rubber meets the road. Quite simply, counties are America. And together we will fulfill America's promise. When we work hard and do what's right, we can accomplish anything.